Yeah.
So this is Sajida, and I'm again a KG teacher.
I think I am only projected on the screen. I am not seeing you, beta. Again, the host is not happy with. Yeah.
Can you see me now?
Yeah, I am seeing you with the red chunni and all that. Yeah.
Yeah, I was the person who gave introduction to you.
Yeah.
Alright, so this is Sajida, again from KG.
Yeah.
I'm from Sri Lanka. So
From where are you from?
Sri Lanka.
Yeah, wonderful place. That is, do you know Greenwich Meridian was in Sri Lanka once upon a time?
I'm sorry, I can't hear you properly.
Greenwich Meridian. The longitudinal line 0, which we call it as Greenwich, is in Europe now.
Okay.
In traditional Indian knowledge, Sri Lanka connecting to Himalaya,
Alright, okay.
Kailash and Sri Lanka, you put a thread, and that line was called Deshandara Vidayani. Lenga Vatsyapuram is Khajuraho, center of India. Vatsyapuram, that is called Khajuraho now. Earlier Vatsyapuram.
Okay.
Vatsyayana is the person who wrote Kama Sutra. Different dance posters. So the poet says Lanka Vatsyapura, connect to them Sthaneshwara Suralayan. Put a stick and then put a thread there and draw a line. That is called Deshandara Vidayani. So you know how Lanka was connected to India.
Yeah. Thank you for that. So actually, as you've been saying in your previous question answer sessions about virtual platforms, now virtual communication, main mode of education. Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Yeah. So I just want you to give us strategies on how to improvise effective teaching in this virtual platform. Like when we get connected to a large number of children in the virtual platform, sometimes the teachers were not able to make out from the high achiever to the low achiever if everybody is with us, if everybody is listening to us, if everybody is connected to us or not. So I want you to discuss the strategies to improvise this effective teaching in the virtual platform.
Alicia, you are from KG grade.
Sajira. Alicia.
Sajira.
Sajida.
Spell it.
Sajida.
Saji.
Sajida. Sajida.
Yeah. Sajida. My most concerned issue today in these days during COVID is for children between age 3 to grade 3.
Yes.
Where no online will work. You understood?
Yes, sir. Yes.
So I created an education system. You can see maximum number of videos which I posted during these days are to create small clusters of parents group in different locality. Don't bring them to schools. It is impossible. We don't know when during this COVID will end and what will happen. And new education policy of India, the CBSE programs and Indian education, they redefined education system and said age 3 to grade 3, 6 years. Age 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. If you look at the world's best education system is Finland education. They all focus age 3 to grade 3. Where language development and emotional development become stronger. That's why in the previous question also when the committing suicide 10th, 12th I said KG teachers have a role to play. Because emotional development happens stronger. Up to age 3, children are at home. Whatever I want, they get lot of gifts. Everything they get. Whom do they contact? All those people who are relatives of father and mother. But age 3 onwards, they come out of the house, they will meet lot of people and they feel that my father and mother is not the brilliant. There are much more brilliant people like my KG teacher. and their emotional attachment will change to teachers. That's why young children, if you ask what you want to be, immediately they will say, I want to become a teacher. Because they found that somebody is more brilliant than my parent, and that is my teacher. They will tell you, my teacher is the most beautiful teacher. My teacher is the most best known person in the world, because they get a lot of information from teachers. That's all losing today. So their attachment to somebody else other than their parents is lost. Any child, whichever language you speak, which is your mother tongue?
Tamil.
Tamil.
Tamil, sir. I speak Tamil. My mother tongue is Tamil.
Yeah, I mapped the whole Sri Lanka. I am a person who has to have mapped the whole Sri Lanka in these eras. I did lot of satellite images to Batikola, to all these places. No?
Oh, that's great.
I know each and every village names those days about Sri Lanka than what I know about Kerala. Because through satellite image I was looking at taking the map, putting them together, making maps. Right? So when we look at that knowledge about my house and some other house, what is around this world is learned when children travel. Now they are losing that. They don't even go to the relative's place. Otherwise, every travel is a learning. They make it as a big journey in their life. That is losing. Can you imagine if at this age, if I am arrested and then put in jail for 1 year, nothing is lost in my life. Next year when I come back, I can recoup. But between age 3 and grade 3, they lose 1 year is a great loss. I shared it in many platforms. And what I wanted to was initiative from different parts of, I don't say school teachers, parents, because school is run by business people. They want admission, they want the fees, they want money, they want to do a job. But parents, they also want to put them in the best international school. Forget about all that. If they can make a small cluster of parents, teachers and students together, make them to learn their mother tongue and 1 or 2 other tongues. Make them to learn few slokas and songs. Why is Tingle Tingle Little Star is taught? Because learning slokas, learning verses, learning rhymes, learning poetry becomes easier in that age, through which language can be taught. That's why we don't teach ABCD, we teach rhymes first. So mother tongue and many other languages make them to learn lot of slokas, make lot of activity around them and create small clusters. That's the only solution. Digitally, if you ask them to sit, you will have to only show some cartoons, which is actually a garbage which is put into their brain, where they will become null. Their all abilities like psychological ability will be lost. So the growth becomes good, and young child from age 1 to age 3, they generally speak their mother tongue without any difficulty, no grammar mistakes. In that age, they are able to learn a language. And if next 4, 6, 5 years, like up to grade 3, education has to be informal, not in classrooms. No KG teachers, I keep saying, don't tell them keep quiet, keep quiet. Ask them to shout. When you go to most of the teachers, you will see them, keep quiet. Is that what we want to teach? And if you look at nursery, LKG, UKG, grade 1, grade 2, up to grade 3, whatever you are teaching, all of them can be learned in 2 months. If you make these children with a lot of activity based learning at home. So one of the examples, I have a lot of practical things, but I will end up with giving you one practical activity which can be given to KG children. Lot of newspapers, magazines, whatever stuff they get, all physical. Because I don't suggest digital to them. Give them all such useless dust printed material, which may be there in house or maybe some shop, buy something from the newsstand and then get some books. Give them different files. Ask them to keep the newspaper cut and then put it into different country wise file, different activity base. Political people one, sports people another, cinema stars another, Understood? All the disease, COVID related news in one file. When they cut, definitely they will recognize lot of people. They will recognize the news item. They will seek the help of their parents to read how it to be read. How do you segregate? How do you separate? Ask them to do 3 months. 4th month onwards, they will become good seekers of general knowledge. Their skill will improve in identifying. Reading ability will become, without learning reading in classrooms, they will become good readers. I've got a student whose father was making him to practice this from childhood. Now he is a collector in one of the districts. Like your commissioner in Sri Lanka, equivalent to commissioner. All Sri Lankan commissioners were my students once upon a time.
That's great.
They came to India for a training program in which I taught them meditation. I taught them different lifestyle practices.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Do well, Sajida.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Glad you asked a very pertaining question which is close to my heart. Don't miss looking at my grandma. The program is called Grandma Child Care Shiksha Gurukulam. Gurukulam is residing at home and learning. Shiksha is my trust. Grandma, because grandparents, what they taught is what we have to teach these young children. Grandma Child Care Shiksha Gurukulam. One of these term, if you type in and type Dr. TPS, don't forget my name. DR for doctor, T teachers, parents and students. Top police service. I was also in a police.
Okay.
Okay, and I was a scientist, therefore temperature pressure second, TPS.
Sure, sir. We all KG teachers will watch that video.
So look at it. You will get lot of methods of teaching, lot of dialogue. It because my clusters are in different parts of this country now. All the clusters meet me sometime and then we have a dialogue. That is what is posted as YouTube. So start some clusters around Sri Lanka. When physically possible, I will come to Sri Lanka.
Inshallah.
Start in Doha. We will start making small groups because holidays, at least some parents will be there, some children will be there. That will be a great service to the next generation, I'll tell you. They will remember you for all the service what you have done in your childhood. Small things, I will tell you what can be given. For half day you want the children to be very attentive, concentrated, focused without making any noise. Give them a needle and a thread. Ask them to pass through that. Good enough. Done. Half day job is done. And give them a bigger thread. Not that thread easily goes.
Good morning. This is me, Prabha
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Yeah, somebody.
Shall I?
Yeah, sure.